Hello, today we start exercise 1.1 number 6, question number 6. Question is, in a survey of 550 students in a school, it was found that 175 students drink milk, 300 drink tea and 110 drink both milk and tea. You are required to find the number of students who drink neither milk or no tea. So let A equal to set of students drinking tea. And B equal to, you can say, set of students drinking, take it as milk, and here tea. So what is N? A is given 175 and B is given 300 and both means N A intersection B is given 110. And see, total number of students is given 550. Total number of students is given 550. But it is not mentioned in the question that each student either drink milk or tea. So this is not A union B. This will be NU equal to 550. In number 1, we have to find neither milk nor tea means what? N A union B whole complement is to be calculated. So to find A union B whole complement, first we will find N A union B. So N A union B, what we will get? Formula N A plus N B minus N A intersection B. N A is given 175 plus 300 and N A intersection B also given 110. So when we will calculate, how much we will get? How much here? 475 minus 110 is equal to 365. So this is A and B means either milk or tea, but we have to find neither milk nor tea. So that is N A union B whole complement. How will you find? NU minus NA union B. To find the complement, NU is given 550 minus 365. So subtract. So there are 185 students who drink neither milk nor tea. Okay. In number 2, what we have to find? This is only number 2, no number 2 here. Okay, this is question number 6. Now 7 number. See number 7, the question. In a office, there are employees who speaks either Assamese or English. So okay. Number 7, let A equal to set of implied let A equal to set of employees who can speak Assamese. B equal to set of employees who can speak English. So what is given? What is NA? NA is given 80 and B is given how much? 70, and both is given means an A intersection B, that is how much? 50. In number 1 we are required to find total number of employees, that is NA union B. NA union B, use the formula NA plus NB minus NA intersection B, just the value NA, sorry, it is 80 not 8, 80 plus 70 minus 50, how much will get? 100. In number 2 we have to find, in number 2 you are required to find how many of them can speak Assamese only. Assamese only. See here, when you will draw the Venn diagram it will be more clear, no? This is A, B, this is only Assamese, this is only English, and this is to both only. So only Assamese means what? This portion is A minus B. How will get A minus B? A minus this. So number 2, N A minus B equal to NA minus NA intersection B. NA minus NA intersection B will only Assamese. NA is how much given? 80 minus A intersection B 50, so we will get 30. So 30 employees are there who can speak only Assamese. Number 3, question is asking how many of them can speak English only? English only, similarly only, no, English only this portion only. So this minus this. So NB minus A is equal to, how will get? NB minus NA intersection B. NB is given 70, intersection is 50, equal to 20. This, so this and this are total number of employees, only Assamese, only English. Okay, this is what number 7. Now number 8. Number 8, see the question. There is a club, 250 members, 130 can drink tea, 85 can drink tea but not coffee. If each member, see this is mentioned here, each members of the club either drink at least one of them item, tea or coffee. Then, so write down number 8. Number 8, let, you can take T equal to set of members, members who can, no, who drink tea. And then you can write M here or coffee. C here, C equal to set of members who can drink coffee. Okay, what is given? And T is given 130. Then what is given? Only T. See the question. 130 drink tea and 85 drink tea but not coffee. Tea but not coffee means what? T minus C is given how much? 85. Then this is total number of members is given 250, and it is also mentioned there each of them drink at least either, means this is not U, this is T union C, and T union C is given how much? 250. Draw the Venn diagram, it will make you to understand. This is T, this is coffee, this is T minus C, this is C minus T, this is T intersection C. in number 1 we have to find how many members drink coffee. NC have to find. NC. In number 1 we have to find NC. So first what is given? And T union C is given. And T union C is given. And T intersection is not given. So first find N T intersection C. N T intersection C. How will you find this? N T intersection C. See, this portion, how will you find? This minus this. This portion, how will you find? This. And T minus N T minus C. N T is given 130. T minus C is given 85. So how much will get? 45. See, we don't have to find this, but to find this, you need to find this. Okay? Now, and T union C is given 250. You have the formula. And T plus NC minus NT intersection C equal to 250. So NT is given 130, NC is not given, NT intersection C we have calculated 45 is equal to 250. So how will get NC? 250 minus 130 plus 45. Calculate, how much will get? 165. So this is NC. In number 1, what is asking? Number NC we have to calculate number of employees members having coffee is 165. Okay, in number 2, how many can drink coffee but not tea? Coffee but not tea. Clear, no? Coffee but not tea means what? This is coffee but not tea. So this portion, C minus T. So NC minus T equal to, how will get? NC minus NC minus this NT intersection C. NC, so we have calculated now only. How much we got? 165 minus NT intersection C also have calculated 45. Then subtract, you will get 120. This is the answer, 2 number. Okay, understood? Now go to number 9 now. Number 9. The question is, in a class of 90 students, 68 students play volleyball, 53 play badminton, and 35 play both the games. A common question. Write down, let A equal to set up a student playing volleyball. B equal to set up a students playing badminton. So what is given? See, there are students who can play neither. It is not mentioned here. Each of the students is playing either of the games. So total is given. Total is given 90. That is not A union B. That will be NU equal to 90. And A equal to 60. And B equal to 53. And A intersection B is also given. Both the game 35. In number 1, we are required to find the number of students who do not play any one of the 2 games. either of the games will be A union B. Neither of the games will be their complement. So we have to find actually A union B whole complement. So first we have to find an A union B. To find A union B complement, you need to find A union B. To find an A union B equal to, formula very simple, NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Put the value 60 plus 53 minus 35. So after calculation, how much you will get? 133, 35. Is it 78? 78. So therefore, NA union B, neither of the, this is either of the game. We are required to find neither of the game. So NU minus NA union B. NU is given 90 minus 78, you will get 12. In number 2, we have to find who play badminton only but not volleyball. Badminton only but not volleyball. This portion we have to find. So number 2. And B minus A. And B minus A. It's simple only. This minus this. This is what? NB minus NA intersection B. NB is given 53. A intersection B is given 35. So subtract, how much we will get? Is it 18? In number 3, we have to find volleyball only. Then A minus B. NA minus B. NA minus NA intersection B. NA is given 60 minus A intersection B 35. So subtract, how much will get? 25. And number 4 is what is asking? Number 4 is asking who play one of the two games. At least union we have to find. In number 4 we have to find A union B. We have already calculated. A union B 78. So is equal to 78. So this is number 9. Now go to number 10. Question number 10. Total number of families visited is 1500. Total is given 1500. Now question is, out of 1500 in a town, it is found that there are families having TV and some radio. So you can write let A equal to set of families having TV. B equal to set of families having radio. So what is given? See, it is not mentioned that each family have either TV or there are families having neither TV or no family. So this is not A union B. So this will be NU equal to 1500 and A equal to 1263 and B equal to 639. What is given? Neither also given. Neither means an A union B whole complement is given 197. In number 1 we have to find both the number of families having both TV and radio. Very clear. And A intersection B we have to find. So first find an A union B. An A union B. See, A union B complement is given. U is given, to very clear. U minus N A union B whole complement. And U is 1500 minus 197. Subtract, how much will get? Get 1303. Now you have the formula. What is the formula? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B, and this is already calculated. NA is given 1263, NB is given 639. This we have calculated only. So NA intersection B equal to 1303. Then 1263 plus 639 transpose this side, minus 1303 equal to NA intersection B will get. So calculate here NA intersection B equal to how much will get? After calculating 599. So this is number one. Families having both. Families in the town having both TV and radio and TV. In number two, how many families having TV only but not radio? So many times we have done already. Number two, TV only but not radio, A minus B. Then A minus B equal to formula is what? NA minus NA intersection B. NA is given 1263, 1263 minus NA intersection B we have calculated. How much? 599. Subtract, you will get answer. How much you will get? 664. In number 3, what is asking? B minus A. And B minus A, same thing. And B minus N A intersection B. And B is given 639 minus 599. How much you will get? 40. Okay, this much only. That's all for today.